Your motorcycle deserves to be different. These R-Fight CNC front foot pegs with their various anodized color options add a unique combat-ready look to your ride. Precision machined from a solid block of T6061T6 aluminum, they ensure ultimate strength and lightweight. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance touring, they provide excellent comfort and control. Don't hesitate, visit the M Komodo Parts website and use discount code MC222 to save 20% instantly.